Hi everyone, it's Tammy and welcome to week 7 of the 12 crafts of Halloween. So this is this week's craft. I think it's really cute. It's like a little popcorn box and then it has a bag full of goodies. So it's just really cute, pretty simple. And actually this bag is probably not the it's definitely not the sturdiest. It's probably not the best choice of paper to use. But I thought it was really cute, so I'm going to do it again. I even thought, oh, should I just use regular cardstock? But what this is it's a recycled bag that I had in my stash. So this was a bag once, like a big bag, and I cut it. And then I also used my popcorn box die cut to cut it out as a little box. And we'll have to put this together. So to put this together, and I also am using some ribbon that I got at Hobby Lobby and some cardstock that I also got from Hobby Lobby. And sorry, I'm making sure that Waylon, no bite, love. Oh my goodness, he is so cute, my little dog. Oh, I love him. And I have this stamp that I got. It is Too Cute to Spook from Love from Liz. And it's this set. And I just used the cute little ghost. I didn't even notice that there's a little bow on that, but I thought it was cute with the bow from the ribbon. I don't know. I think that's adorable. I know it's too big, but I don't care. I like it. So let me show you how I put this box together, and then we'll fill it up and I'll show you all that. So you have to cut it twice to give you all 4 sides. And then you just put, hopefully you can see, there's a little, well, I guess this isn't a tutorial on how to make the box, but there's a little flap here that glues onto the side of the box here. And then the flap on this one glues onto the side of the box over there. So I'm just going to take my art glitter glue, which is my glue of choice when it comes to crafting, and I'm going to put it on the right side of the flap, and then I'm going to glue that down. One reason that I love to use glue is because I can then come over and see how I need to wiggle it, and it will give me enough time to put it exactly where I want it before it dries. So you can see how flimsy this paper is. Kind of a silly choice for a box, but oh well. I liked the chevron pattern and I didn't think about it when I started to make it. And then when it was made, it was already cute. And now I'm doing another one because it's just cute. And then I'm just going to bring this side over to this one and put it down too. And then I am just going to glue this so that the edges come together. You can do it however you want. It's really not made to be exactly like this, but I don't care. I'm living like a rebel. This one has glue on that side. This one has glue on that side. And of course I did it kind of funny, but oh well. That's all right. The key is you're just making it into a box. It really, this is just a small little popcorn box. It doesn't really matter. If I were doing it, oh, my magnets. That was from another project, but not a 12 crafts of Christmas, although that might be something I could still do. I don't know. Or 12 crafts of Halloween. I'm just taking my scissors and making sure that, because I can't reach down that far. I guess I can. I don't know what I'm talking about. I can reach down that far. My fingernail is kind of messing it up though, but that's all right. Okay, so now that I have my little box formed, the hard part is over. I am going to lightly fussy cut, loosely fussy cut the ghost. It's not a spider. And I didn't do anything to the ghost other than put the bow on her head, but you could make her sparkly. That would be cute, whatever you might want. But these are little candies, and you know, I don't know. I don't feel like I have to go all out, although it's still wonderfully cute just the way it is what I'm thinking. But if you want to go all out and make it sparkly and shiny and glittery and whatever, you do you. Just going to stick this onto the orange paper, and then I'm going to loosely fussy cut again because I want the orange to be seen. Oops, I got a little close right there, but it won't really matter because the hat or the bow is going to go there. Hopefully it'll cover that up. So there we go. And then I'm going to glue this, just put some glue here in the middle of it. And find the side that I like the best and put this down there, kind of like that. Oh, I still need the glue. Then I'm going to make a little bow. So to do that, I leave the ribbon on the spool, and then I just kind of play with it. And one of them is going to need to be turned around because the way that the ribbon goes, when you tie a bow, you get the underside and the right side. So I'm just going to turn that around and then play with it some more to try to get it even on both sides and cute. Okay, I think that's all right. So now I'm going to cut it. And I'm going to cut this one too. I'm telling myself, stop messing with it, stop messing with it, stop messing with it. But I want it to be perfect, so I'm still messing with it, but now I'm stopping. And I'm just going to put some glue on all four, the outside edges and the middle. And then I'm going to stick this down on her head. And then I'll just hold that there for a minute. I need to get my nails done. I want to take a drink. My husband went to the gas station to get me some crushed ice because I like crushed ice, but they didn't have any, he said, so he just had to get the regular ice. So I put my Kool-Aid in that, and it's really good, but it's not the same. So I'm using one of these Ziploc bags that I've been using throughout, and I'm just going to stuff it with some candies, some Twizzlers, some Reese's, cute little snowmen, no jack-o'-lanterns, some Nerds, a little pumpkin spice thingamabobber, and some fruit Tootsie Rolls. And I'm just going to kind of wiggle them so I think that it'll fit in. And once I get it how I want it, I'm going to stick it on in there. See how the bag like totally crumbles, so you gotta be careful with it. I'm just trying to form the candy in the bag so it'll fit nice and not destroy the bag. There we go, that's better. So there, once we have it, I'm going to take the ribbon, and the last time I cut the zip part off first, so let's see if this works any better. I feel like I didn't have very much bag left doing it that way, but maybe that's the best way, I'm not sure yet. So I'm just going to tie it real tight with this, and I'm going to tie it in a knot with the same ribbon that I used for the ghost. And then I'm going to chomp the whatever that's called. The ribbon ends. Good Lord, my words. Can't find any, sorry. And then I'm going to chop off the Ziploc-y part. The tails of the bow. Good grief. All right. And this ribbon was on sale for 24 cents at Hobby Lobby. And I love their ribbon. This kind too. It's really nice. I think you get 3 yards or something like that. It's normally 99 cents, but it is Paper Studio. 6 feet, so 2 yards. Yeah, it's normally 99 cents, but it's Paper Studio, so you can get it for half off a lot. But they had it for 24 cents the last time I went, so I had to grab up a bunch of different colors. I only got one orange, but I think it's been alright so far. So there is what our little baggie looks like. First one and the second one. And I think it turned out really cute. So I hope you guys will try something like this. It's just fun. And it's just a nice little gift. You can give it to a coworker, you could give it to a kid, you could give it to your best friend. I think anybody would appreciate it. And if you were giving it to a guy, you could even, instead of making it a hair bow, you could make it a bow on their neck. Whatever you wanted to do. But thanks for watching. I hope that you give it a try. Happy crafting. Bye-bye.